In this video, we're going to talk about 5 ways to handle false allegations in a family law case. About me, my name is Nathan Vining. I'm a family law attorney, and ultimately facing false claims can be very frustrating because it attacks your character, it can impact how much you can see your child, and it can really be a hurdle that you have to overcome in your family law case. So we're going to talk about what to do. The impact of false claims is a lot. As I said, it can impact how much time you see your child, it can damage your reputation, and it can also create some barriers to the legal case that you got to overcome. We're going to talk about the ways you overcome these to actually try and disprove these false allegations. So the first thing you need to do if you're facing false allegations is ultimately remain calm and composed. You don't want to lash out at the other parent or party or court. You want to talk to an attorney and take a strategic approach to how you handle the situation. And you're also going to want to start to document everything. If you haven't already, documentation in a family law case is key. A lot of times someone hires me and they say that things happen a certain way, but they don't have the details or specific dates. You want to go If you don't have documentation, you want to try and retroactively see what you can get together. Look at doctor records, school records, anything that you can do to help pin down a timeline in your case. And then if going forward, you can want to keep a log or a parenting time journal of what's happened in your case. So that way you can have details that can help you challenge false allegations. The third thing to do is seek legal advice. A lot of times there's burdens to get certain evidence in. So if there's school records, medical records, things like that, there's a certain process and authentications that's needed to get those things in. And then also your attorney can help develop a strategy on how to best approach any false allegations through a lot of different methods. The fourth thing to do is to provide evidence to disprove the claims. That's where you use the documentation. You work with your attorney to go out and get new documentation. The fifth thing, which can also be one of the most important, is request a neutral evaluation. You can get a guardian ad litem in your case as a neutral who can go in and help investigate things for the court. They act as a representative for the child's interest, and they can go and talk to therapists, schools, teachers, and get information to help make decisions around the case. You can also request a custody evaluation where a psychologist meets with the parties and makes recommendations. And you can even engage your own investigator to try and help get information about the case. So request a neutral evaluation or investigation, or do your own investigation. It can help a lot in a case like this. So if you're dealing with false allegations, you're going to want to protect your rights. You want to get documentation. If you're not documenting things already, start documenting everything. You're going to want to see what evidence you can get to help pin down timelines around the false allegations. And you may want to go and get an independent investigation of what happened or request a guardian ad litem, get appointed to your case. So if you have questions, give me a call or text me. I work with cases involving false allegations all the time. It's actually a pretty common theme in family law. So it's your job to go and put the best foot forward for your client and build the case around what happened and help them fight any false allegations. So give me a call or text me. Here's my number.